Showing off here Chembrite's pressure washing painting van of Grand Rapids, Michigan here. 2012 cargo van by Chevy. The self-contained water system hot pressure washer in here. 25 horsepower Honda motor with a 3,000 psi pump at 10 gallons per minute. Can run dual wands with a built-in generator on the side to run the burner system on there. Everything's electric start, runs off gas and diesel here. Here's the water holding tank here, holds 300 gallons. Back here we have two dual hose reels to run both wands. Their soaps here and stuff like this. The burner system, the exhaust for the burner. This side of the exhaust for the motor coming out here. And now we will start it up. That's 3,000 psi at 10 gallons per minute spraying. Right there, that's got what most power washers have. That can rip through and do any cleaning job you have. And whatever you guys got to need to be cleaned, we can clean it. Right here, you turn the hot water on. Now the hot water is kicked on. It's almost instantaneous hot water with the burner system. There we go. Chembrite's new pressure washing van 2012 to serve all of Michigan and Grand Rapids. Thank you.